This is a nice little creek down here. It is a pretty nice little creek. I enjoy it down here. I'm gonna get back out on Lake Monroe here pretty soon. Some folks are asking me about that, and it's just been about 95 degrees every day, and dang him, little bitty fish. We may have to go find some bigger fish that can take the hook. I'm just out here messing around on my birthday today. Oh, you might catch a fish on that one. These bum casts like that, that's when you catch a fish. There he is. Yeah, I got him. I got him. Yeah, what kind of fish is this? It's a little different. That's it's not a pumpkin seed. It's I don't know. You could call that a rock bass. I don't know. I don't know. But he was fun to catch. I've been trying to catch that guy. Hold him better. Rock bass is what I call those. Yay for fishing. Well, we still got our little worm. He's really been hanging in there. We're all real proud of this little worm. He's been hanging in for us. So let's catch one more. What's going on? Oh, we had a truck going across the bridge. FedEx delivering stuff. Well, I actually want to be up closer to that stump. Something's playing around with it, I do believe. I want to be right over by that stump. I really do. If I can put it in there correctly. Oh, perfect, people, perfect. Right there. Now. There it is. We got that little guy. Yeah, we got that little fishy. Yeah. Well, just a little yellow belly creek fish. Yellow belly creek fish. Oh, let me find him. Oh, he went in the water. There's water under them weeds, and he went right in the water, so he's in good shape. All right, let's catch us one more. Let's try a new spot. How about right along that weed line right there? Well, I'm kind of not exactly where I wanted to be. Let's try that again. Try that again. Over on that, over by that grass. Something just run out of that grass and grab it. Okay. Robin's moving the truck. I meant to move that before I came down here and I forgot to. Oh, but that was a tight squeeze with that FedEx truck trying to get through. All right, Let's catch one more fish right over here and not where I wanted to be. Let me get where I wanted to be with it. Goodness, Peebo. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty good day for fishing. Had that little rain. I guess it didn't kill the bite or nothing. So far I've always been able to count on Indian Creek here to catch a fish or two. So far. Well, see what you did, Peebo. Oh, I got lucky. Been lucky all day. Well, tell you what, folks, I'm about to wrap it up. We'll wrap it up here at Indian Creek. We caught two or three little ones. That's what we came here to do.